What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another Press Filter Panda YouTube video. And today we're going to be talking about the Groove affiliate program, and we're going to see if this is something that you should be marketing in 2020. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, click the subscribe button below. If you get any value out of this whatsoever, click the like button, as that does help us with the YouTube algorithm and it helps us reach more people just like you. So let's get into it. You guys are going to want to make sure that you stay to the end because we have a ton of awesome bonuses for you guys for sticking around, so stay tuned. So we're going to be going by a 3-system checklist that we always go by affiliate programs, and if they meet all 3 of the checklist points in the checklist, then they're a good system to promote. We're just going to go one by one through these pretty quick and see if Groove is something that you should be marketing. Okay, so the first thing in the checklist that we want to check for is, do they sell a lot of products? That's actually a lot bigger than affiliate marketers tend to think, and the reason is because in marketing, one size doesn't fit all. There's a lot of different needs out there for sales funnels, autoresponders, and that's why there's so much competition, is because there will always be people that need different solutions. And so with affiliate marketing, a lot of the times you want to pick a program that has several products, right? So when you bring someone in the door, when you get them to sign up for a free trial, or when you get them to sign up for a free plan, you'll want that company to reach out to them. And it's a lot easier for you to make commissions if that company can reach out to them with several different products versus just one. It's like if a company offers SEO and a sales funnel platform, maybe they just need SEO and they don't need a sales funnel platform. So it's a lot easier for you to make commissions if they have lots of products. So if we run through Groove here, this is basically explaining Groove is unfortunately a one product program. So Groove's whole thing is that they're trying to encapsulate everything into one payment. As you can see, so this is the upgrade, but you're going to see down below, they're trying to encapsulate all this into one payment. So right now you can get free lifetime, or you can upgrade to the pro plan up to one-time payment for life. But you can see they're trying to integrate a ton of different add-ons that their competitors are doing, but into one product. This can be a positive because it might be easier to convert people, but there's going to be less products that Groove can sell to your commissions once you bring them in, right? Or I should say your referrals once you bring them in. So Groove is just the one product, so they don't check that check on the checklist that we're looking for. Okay, so what the second thing that we're looking for is, do they have an established affiliate program, right? Do they have a community where you can come in and if you have any questions, you can engage with people, or if there really is any updates on the affiliate program, they're very communicative with their affiliates and their promotions, and that's actually a really big thing. I've seen affiliate programs where they barely talk to you, they cut you out of payouts, and it can really make or break promoting an affiliate program. Being an affiliate is doing business with someone. Essentially, you are their sales rep, right? You work for them. So you don't want to hire a boss that doesn't treat you well, right? We really want to see established affiliate programs. Now, Groove hasn't been out for the longest time, but they really have communicated well with their affiliates. From the get-go, Joe Jablonski, he is the manager of all affiliates in the affiliate program, and he's just always on top of things. He's always interviewing affiliates through Zoom and making sure, like you can see right here, he's always doing interviews with affiliates to make sure their needs are met, and he wants to get to know, okay, are you happy with the product, right? What can we do to the product to make it easier for you as an affiliate? Payouts, is there any issues there? They're very communicative with their affiliates, and they really care about how you guys do. They want you guys to succeed, because at the end of the day, if you guys succeed, they succeed. So the third and final thing that we look for when finding an affiliate program to promote is, do they have recurring commissions? So a lot of times the nicest thing about affiliate marketing is that they offer recurring commissions, which means as an affiliate marketer, if you sign up someone who pays for their product or service, you get commissions every single month they pay. Right now, this is interesting because Groove offers a free plan, but you can upgrade to the pro for life. So you can see right now they do you can pay one payment of $13.97, 3 payments of $4.97, and so on. And if you do the math, you end up paying a little bit more as it goes up. They're going to end up increasing their prices once September 1st happens. And so right now at September 1st, they wouldn't check that checklist off. But what's interesting is that they're going to move to a monthly plan, right? They're going to offer a silver and gold plan. The silver plan is going to basically encapsulate all of these, and the gold plan is pretty much going to be everything. Now what's interesting is that the affiliate program, they say 20% commissions once the monthly rolls out, but if you upgrade to the pro plan right now, you get 40%. And so that'll stay at 40%. Even once the monthly kicks in, you will get 40% of what they pay every single month. And so if we scroll down, we can see that down here. So if you upgrade, you get 40%, that 40% instead of that 20% they were talking about. So if you brought in someone who buys the silver plan, which is the $99 a month, you'd be getting around $40 every single month. If you brought in someone who pays for the gold, $199 a month, you'd be getting around, I believe, around $80 every single month. But what's cool about Groove is they actually offer a second tier program. Now, if you sign up for the free plan, this is going to be 5%. But if you upgrade to the pro, you're actually going to be 10%. So what does second tier mean, right? First tier is whoever you bring in, but what's that second tier? So that second tier is, so let's say you refer someone, right? And then they refer someone. You get 10% of what that second person down the road pays. So let's say you refer person A who pays, but then person A refers person B. You get 10% of what person B pays. So if person B pays for the silver plan, which is the $99 a month, you get basically $10 a month. And if they pay for the gold plan, you're going to be getting double that, right? Which the gold plan is $199 a month, so you're going to be getting $20 a month. So if you refer some pretty smart and well-known affiliates that get lots of signups, you're going to be getting 10% of whatever they sign up every month. So that second tier is actually a really awesome thing, and it extends your reach quite a bit. Groove is really awesome. They offer a whole suite of tools, but under one product. And so this definitely would be a tool to run as an affiliate program to a bridge page and opt in to capture their email and then send on to Groove. And I'll do a video on that later, but Groove is definitely an affiliate program to market in 2020. If you guys don't have Groove already, there's a link down in the description where you guys can get a plug and play template so that you can start marketing Groove today. And we're also, as a bonus, through sign up under a link, we're going to send you the top 20 under the radar affiliate programs that no one is promoting right now. And there's so much potential. And you're also going to get access to our Facebook group. We're going to help you guys walk through this and answer any of your questions that you guys have. So that's pretty much it for the video today, guys. Thank you for sticking around. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel down below. And if you got any value out of this video, click the like button, as that does help us out with the YouTube algorithm. And it helps us reach more viewers just like you. Hope you guys enjoyed.